Hello everyone, Bobby Benish with Benish Real Estate Group, and we are here at 7608 South County Road 575 East in Marengo, Indiana. Now we are in Orange County and we are in Paoli School District. So this beautiful farmhouse, and when I say farmhouse, I mean 15 gorgeous southern Indiana acres, and we are also surrounded by lots of open space. So let's go take a look at this gorgeous 3 to 4 bedroom home and see what it's all about. Come on in. Love this porch. So pretty. So we are entering on the side with the kitchen. Now the other side of the home also has a back door that you could use and enter into the living room if you decided. But look at this gorgeous kitchen. I mean, it's super spacious, beautiful cabinets that are Amish made, lots of counter space, and I just love how this opens up into the living room. So even though you have this additional space, and sometimes we want to hide our kitchen from our guests, you still have everyone chatting and enjoying each other. So nice big dining space, and you could even put a huge eat at kitchen island. There's a lot you could do with this space. So come on this way. The living room, nice and bright, super cheery, big windows, and really could allow for multiple configurations. Like you could even maybe put the TV over here and kind of enjoy it from the kitchen as well. And then this door walks out to another beautiful porch that mirrors the other side. So bedroom number 1. We will come on in and take a look. Again, 2 beautiful windows, adds lots of natural light, and it leads right into this very nice bathroom. And there's even a space there for makeup counter. Lots and lots of room here. Tub shower combo, big vanity. Yeah, could get ready here every morning, that'd be nice. And now we're into this second downstairs bedroom. This big wardrobe does stay with the home. It actually came from Germany. How awesome is that? So you have lots of space. The current owner is using this as a closet, no big deal, but definitely could be a great home office. You could even make it like a second living room if you wanted. So lots of options. And then on back into the kitchen, we're going to head upstairs and take a look at the second floor. You're just going to love it. So I love homes that have lots of character and charm, and they definitely give you options. So this could be a primary retreat suite on this entire second floor, or if you have teenagers and want to just have them up here, you could also, I'm always big about home movie rooms, you could also make it like a really cool second floor home theater. That'd be kind of fun. Go right down to the kitchen and get your popcorn. So this seller at one time had been using this large room as their primary bedroom. You do have, super space, and then a huge walk-in closet over here with a beautiful little window. It's really cute. Okay. Nice space. Again, this really could be used as a bedroom, could have multiple kids in this room if you needed bunk beds or an extra space for all of your crafting. So let's go on back downstairs. Gorgeous space. Nice wide stairway. I like that it's really wide so you can get furniture upstairs easily. And then we're back down into this gorgeous kitchen. Nice big windows, even big enough for a big plant here. That's a healthy plant. So love the counter space. Gorgeous view of the neighbor's barn. I mean, quintessential Southern Indiana farmland. So if you would like an in-person tour of this gorgeous home in Marengo, Indiana, again, we're Orange County and Paoli Schools, give us a call at 812-675-6967. Bye.